Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, look, I'm I got everything back. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. And so today, every time, and so I upload videos, I upload 4 videos in like a day, and like, I usually don't do that, but I'm doing it now, so, yeah. That's why I'm getting that. And so right now I'm gonna be playing this game because I was bored of just I don't know playing Roblox by myself, and so I was like, let's just do another video. And well, obviously we are gonna go here, and there are people with trucks outside my bedroom window, and I don't like it. It's really annoying. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna call myself a pro at this game. And I'm not like bragging that like, oh, I'm better than you and crap like that, but well, I'm gonna sacrifice my life for everybody. Just kidding. I'm not sacrificing my life because I know I'm already gonna not die. Gosh, the people outside my window are making a lot of noise. Pushing poles. Okay. Well, let me just do this. Go backwards. Go, go, go. Jump. God, these are noobs down there. I love that music. Is that going to go up there, right? Oh, nope, never mind. Oh, God, I feel like I'm going to die. Thank you. Let's go back now. Oh, God, I'm dead. I'm a noob. Yay. Well, I guess I shouldn't call other people noobs because, well, this is what happens to me. As one of the pro players, but I'm not a pro when it comes to hard. I should be running right now. Go, 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 go. Oh, missed it. Go, 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 go. No, no, no! Come on, get my running speed thing back on. Please, 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 get my running speed. Yes. Ugh. I'm cheating. Yes, I did it. I can't believe I did it. Empty threat. Oh no, I hate this one. Go, 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 go. Come on, go. I can just touch that. Oh yeah, I'm an idiot. I can just do that. And jump. Where are we gonna? Oh, okay. We go up here. Boom, that's easy when you have this. I didn't have the low gravity coil before, and I'm really lucky. High hopes. Oh, what do you mean by high hopes? Never mind. Oh, I saw that. I saw that. You can't trick me. I'm gonna die. Dun, 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 dun. Oh God, I should be running. Yes. Dang it. Alright. I'm gonna use my running speed. Wow. Oh no. I can't see. I can't see. Please. Yes, thank you. Now how do I get out of here? Oh, no. I think I messed everything up. Yep. I have committed die. My name's Moki. I never tried extreme mode, and I do have enough wins for it, though. Who's with me in the hardest one? Well, I guess you are. Never mind. I'm gonna use my dash for this. Bam! Super dash, super dash, super dash. No! We already died. She's probably gonna die too. I bet she won't even make it. Oh, I guess I was the only one who died. That's why I like working alone. Easy is full already. Alright, let's go. Come on. Walkway. This is like the easiest one for me. Even though it's on medium. This is so easy. I don't even, I don't see the challenge in this. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't see the challenge in that. All you have to do, there's 2 buttons. One green button, one blue button. It's easy. Alright, noobs. Alright, I'm gonna run. Why'd you do that, idiot? Oh no! Ah! Wow, 2 people already died. Oh, hi, noob. Noob support. Yeah, I'm here for you, buddy. I ain't gonna leave you. We both died. Well, let's just run, move out of my way. Let's see. Let's take the easy people. Okay. Well, I guess not. Such a funny ear rape. It's not even loud though. Oh, I can't get up there, can I? Even with this spring, I can't. Wait, someone did something. Oh, no. Thought somebody got up there. No, I didn't see. I didn't see. That's not fair. Well, I don't care. I want to try extreme mode. I haven't tried extreme mode, even though I have enough wins. Oh, this is training. Where is extreme mode? Oh, okay. Let's use our super dash and jump. Extreme mode seems... Jesus Christ, look at this. Can I commit die? I don't want to, though. What the heck is all this? Oh, over here. Let me just run over here. Hello? What the heck? Teleport to another place. Yeah, sure, let's go. Oh. Flood escape letter. 2 players remaining. Button used to exit the current level. Is this the map button? What are we doing? Reset. Return to flood escape. Yeah, do it, dude. I ain't playing this game. It seems like one of those first created games. So extreme mode is just nothing. Alright, I'm gonna try this one more time, and hopefully it will not really just show me this first created game. So let me just jump down. Is there something around here? Yeah, I knew it. I should have gone over here. But nope, I'm just an idiot. What is this? It says select map. Room 1. This is get ready. Okay. Can we not escape it? No, we can't. I don't think so. God, this lift takes long. Oh no, I hate those parts when like everything goes dark. Air. What? I got air? What? What are you doing? Give me this. Air. What do you mean air? Like, for me to breathe? Can't let them do one. Okay. Please let me out. Oh, this is another. No, open. Open. Please open. Please open. Please open. Oh God, no, 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 no. Oh God, no, please don't do that. Whoa, 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 I'm dying. Oh God. Ugh. That's freaking hard. I can't do that. What do you think I am? But I'm gonna do it again anyways. Zoom. I can't wait to play Little Nightmares 2. It's gonna be so fun and so crazy and so scary. And I can't wait to play as Mono if we can play as Mono. I don't know. That guy's kind of weird. Is Mono a boy? I don't know. Is Mono a boy? Excuse me again. I did that like I don't know, a few videos that I made. Alright, where's the door? Show me the door. You better show me the door. Where do I go? Oh, it opened. What the heck? Let me outside. Let me outside. God. Oh, let me, please. What do I do? This is freaking weird. Ah! Let me. No. I'm losing air. Kind of. No! Yeah, come here. No, I'm drowning. No, stop! Let me. No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh my God, I almost died. No, I'm gonna die. No! This is hard. I can't do it. It's too freaking hard. I lost points. No, because of that. Come on. Hurry up. Chop, chop. Freaking scammer. I just made tons of... I don't know. I never actually tried out that site that butthole was talking about. But I'm not going to try it anyway because it's probably stupid. And you have to... I don't know. Well, I'm just going to be... I don't know. Dancing. Making some noises like this. Maybe if I go in first person, it will be more easy. Hopefully. Alright. Let's go. I can't count. Why? Let it go. I'm gonna die. What is this? What? Jesus Christ, that is high. I haven't even noticed that I can go this high. I'm an idiot, dude. Oh God, I'm drowning. Maybe I shouldn't win this mode. No! Oh, I'm supposed to go over there. I'm drowning a lot. And I'm not stopping. Go. Where are we going now? Oh, we're going It's not that hard, right? No. I'm drowning. That's a lot of water. Well, I guess I'm just gonna... How long have I been recording anyways? 14 minutes. I'm gonna try to beat a round. I'm gonna try to beat the medium round. No! They left right when I was going. let's see. What do I really want? No, I'll put this up here. Okay, just put it there. Wins. I'll just put it up here. Well, I guess I'm doing hard mode. Tightrope training. Okay, that seems cool, I guess. Come on, come on, come on. I want to dash on this, but I have a feeling I might fall. No! Where am I? I'm in the water. That's where I am. Let me go. Let me go. Wait for me, guys. That was actually supposed to be easy, right? Alright, let's go. Don't tell me this is tightrope training. Alright, see you, noobs. You should probably get some speedy potion like this I have. Oh, this girl's helping us. Thank you. You're the sweetest person. I'm the deadest person. Well, you know what, guys? I'm going to end this video right here. I think I've played enough. And thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, like. And see ya with and bye-bye.